Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to save OBS settings to a new computer step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio on your current computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on File. Then select Show Settings folder. This will open the OBS Studio folder that contains all your current settings. Step 2. Go back one step to the roaming folder. Here, locate the OBS Studio folder. Right-click on this folder and select Copy. Next, choose a backup location where you want to save it. This can be an external hard drive, a USB drive, or a cloud storage folder. Once selected, paste the OBS Studio folder there. Your settings are now safely backed up. Step 3. To restore your settings on a new computer, first download and install OBS Studio. After installation, open OBS, go to File and click on Show Settings folder, just like before. Step 4. Go back one step to the roaming folder. You'll see a new OBS Studio folder that was created during installation. Delete this folder completely. Now, take the backup OBS Studio folder you saved earlier and paste it into this same roaming directory. Make sure the folder name is OBS Studio. Once done, open OBS again, and all your previous settings should be restored on your new computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.